Language Center.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Coach Xamda from Iqra Language Center. I like cake. Do you like cake? I like it a lot. My favorite recipe is apple cake. It's my favorite type of cake. And today I will show you how to make it. The first thing you need to do is get your ingredients together. Ingredients. Can you repeat? All the things you will need. You have your bowl. First, you need to add sugar. Then, oil. Mix, mix, mix. Next, you must add something called cinnamon. Can you repeat? Cinnamon. It gives the cake a very nice smell. Next, we must crack the eggs. Crack the eggs. Put it into your bowl. Mix, mix, mix. Add a little bit of milk. Then we must add flour. Flour. Can you repeat? And baking soda. Baking soda helps the cake get big, helps it rise in the oven. Baking soda, flour. Mix, mix, mix. But now we must add the most important ingredient, the apples. What do we do with the apples? We must? Correct. Chop the apples. Chop, 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 chop into small pieces. Put it in the bowl. Pour it into a pan and put it into the oven. Very good. After 20 minutes, take it out. MashaAllah. It will smell amazing and taste delicious. I hope you enjoyed my recipe of apple cake. You should try it. Assalamu alaikum.